What's going on, boys and girls? I'm not going to do a whole dinner video. I'm getting ready to cook dinner tonight, but I was going to do a rice recipe a little bit differently than I normally do it. So I wanted you guys to see it. This is going to be cream of mushroom rice. All right, guys, this is going to be a really simple recipe. You just take you some onions here. That's about a medium onion right here. This is 2 cups of rice. We're going to use some, this says seafood seasoning, but it's just got some Creole spices in it. And not really even Creole because there's not really any hot stuff in there, but it's just, got paprika and salt, and we're going to use some rosemary, some garlic, cream of mushroom soup, some mustard seeds. Now, if you need to add some other types of spices, like if you want it to be kind of on the spicy side, put some cayenne pepper in it. But we're going to do it this way. We also got some oil heating up here in the pan. All right, we're going to add our onions to this right here, and we're just going to give them a little bit of a saute. Just saute those until they're glistening. You guys have seen me do this bunches of times. So saute them until they're glistening. That means turn kind of a clear looking, go from that white color to almost a clear color. And they won't be see-through, so if you're new to this channel, don't think you're going to be looking through your onions. You're just going to make them so that they're translucent. Can you say that word? Translucent? All right, once we get it kind of translucent, we can go ahead and add some rosemary in there, guys. And again, there's no special, as I drop the lid. We're just going to put maybe about a teaspoon of rosemary in there. We're also going to go ahead and throw some mustard in there as well too. About a half of a teaspoonful. Now let's give that a little stir. Let's add some garlic in there. A little garlic in there. About two heaping teaspoonfuls. Now you don't have to use that much if you don't like garlic that much. I like garlic. My wife likes garlic. It's good for you. Give it a stir around. Now I know you've probably never cooked rice like this before. All right. And then now we're going to add our rice in here. Get that rice a mix in here. Just until it's nice and mixed. And then we'll add our water, or I'm going to use some vegetable broth, guys. You can use chicken broth. You can use regular water and it still comes out good. You can go ahead and put your seasoning in here as well too. That doesn't have a whole lot of salt in it, so don't think I put a bunch. Again, just give it a stir around. Now, with rice, it's 2 cups of water to every 1 cup of rice, of dried rice. So we got 2 cups of rice, so we're gonna have 4 cups of liquid. So alrighty, we're gonna put our water in there. And again, I said water, but that's actually vegetable broth. And that was 1 cup. And now we're going to get the other 2 and then the can of soup. And now we're going to go ahead and put in our can of cream of mushroom soup. Oh, that came out pretty good. All right, let's give that a stir. Now the principles of cooking it are the same. You want to cook it for about 20 minutes exactly. I mean, you're going to bring this up to a boil and you're going to cook it for 20 minutes exactly. But get it all nice and mixed up first. We're going to mix it up and then we'll come right back. All right, you're going to bring it up to a boil, and then you're going to lower the temperature, and then we're going to cook it for right at 20 minutes, guys. 15 to 20 minutes. Come and check on it at 15, but at low, it should cook down like it's supposed to. Alrighty, y'all. It's been about 20 minutes. The rice should be done. Gonna take a. Oh yeah, it's done. It is done here. That's how you know it's done. You're gonna have a little bit of. All the water's not gonna absorb, guys. So having that on top looks good. So don't worry about having the liquid on top. It's the taste of the rice, and the taste is perfect. I just tasted it. There's a spoon right there. I just tasted it. The rice is nice and tender, not too coarse, not too hard. You got to try it, guys. Cream of mushroom soup with rice.